Once again, Fire Blaze Gaming Entertainment bringing you yet again another unboxing. This one is the Fight Stick Alpha, Street Fighter Fight Stick Alpha by MAdcatz. Let's get right to it again. Okay. Open up, damn it. Boy, this is packed like a... Open up, I say. All right. Little force, guys. Let's see what MAdcatz has for us. Now, this is for if you're on a budget, right? You don't want to spend $200, $300 for a joystick, but you want an arcade stick, right? So this one runs about $79.99. If I can get out the box to show you guys. There we go. Anything else in here? No specials, MAdcatz? Alright. Here we go. Let's clear the area. Regular fight stick, arcade stick. Let's see. Got a knife, use it. I'll cut you, damn it. Here we go. Make this real quick. Fight Stick Alpha by MAdcatz. It's a pretty good size. It's small, so it's not bulky. If you want to bring it around to tournaments of that nature. Buttons have good response. Very clicky. Here's the stick. Operates on the PS3 and the PS4. Programmable buttons. For what it is, it looks good. I can't give you a real good assessment of it till I put some work in. So I promise you guys, I will put work in on this so I can give you a review of this stick, so you can go purchase this, you know, for like $79.99 instead of spending $150, $200, $300 on the higher end sticks. If you're nasty, you're gonna be nasty with anything. Boom. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you like the video. Thank you.